Hello everyone, welcome to part 116 of Laravel 9 series in which we are continuing the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the user account page functionality, and in this video we are going to update the user account password with the help of Ajax. Okay, so that there will be no page refresh and it will instantly update. Okay, I'm going to show you that where we are going to work, and here customer login, and you can see that we can able to log in here. I'm going to log in with any of the email ID. I can check in my database user email ID like this one with 100@yourmail.com. We can give the email ID here 123456, and we can log in here. Okay, so it's incorrect, we can pick up some other email ID amit200@yourmail.com, and we can try with this one. And otherwise see, this mail must work. Okay, so we can try with some other email ID. This one is also not activated. This one we can try. The last one that I think we have tried the last time, yeah, this is working fine. Okay, so here we can go in my account. We have worked in my account last time. We able to update the contact details. Once again I'm going to update like something, and if we're going to update instantly, it will update with the success message as well. Okay, so I will correct once again. Okay, so this time we are going to work on the update password, current password, new password, confirm password. Okay, but before that there is one issue in our Laravel e-commerce website. One of my friend just told me that something we have left with, so we need to do that thing, because otherwise, see, whenever we will find any issue we are going to resolve. Okay, we will not retain that issue. So there is one issue in the add to cart, like if we will add some product to the cart, and see, we need to add the duplicate check, like if we have added one product, then once again if the user will try to add the similar product, then it must show the error message. Like if I will try to add the medium once again, then it must show the error message there. Okay, so that thing we need to do. So for that thing we are going to update the card add function in the at that products controller. We are going to check the products controller at the front, and here we are going to update the card add function. Okay, here it is, card add function, and here we are going to update this one. You can see the count products, we are counting the products here, but we are not doing anything with this variable, you can see. But we need to add here the code, like if dollar count products is greater than 0, it means the item is already there in cart. So we will return redirect back the user, redirect back the user with the error message like product already exists in cart. Okay, so this is the error message that we will give. So we can try here. I'm going to add the same product once again, like medium. I will click on add to cart, and here it is coming, product already exists in cart. So this thing we want, because product is already exists in cart, so we can go in the card here. Okay, so this thing also we need to work on in the future videos after completing on this card this account functionality. Okay, so from next video we are going to work on this one as well, view card checkout. Okay, so this is really important. Right now we can go directly to card like this. Okay, so you can see the product has been already added. 2 times we able to add, but that is wrong. So we can able to add just 1 time from the next video. Okay, after making this change we able to add only 1 time, and the next time user can update the quantity from here, but can't add the similar product once again. Okay, so let's come back to the my account. Okay, so in my account we are going to update the password. So first of all we are going to update the form here, password form. We need to update it, so I'm going to close this one. We need to update the form, and for that we will update this page. The name is, I think we have created that page last time, resources, views, front, user, and here the page name is user underscore account. Okay, this is the page that we have created. So we need to correct the form here, like update contact details, and after that update password. Okay, so I will rename register with the password here everywhere. Okay, we are going to use the password here. Okay, so other than the password, here also I am going to give the password. Okay, this is the update password, change password or update password. See, we need to give the correct commands here. Okay, don't left it like this. And also we will see this one will come update contact details or update account. Okay, something, anything we can give. Update contact details also, I think. Update contact, this thing we can give here in comments. And after that we are going to modify this one like password success, and we will also give here password error in case the error message will come. And password form is fine. Then after that current password. Okay, then we need to change this one, current password. We can give it like this, current password. In id as well, current password. Name, we can give the current password like this one, current password. And here the password, yeah, here also we need to give it like this, password hyphen current password. Okay, so here also in placeholder we will give the current password. Okay, like this. After that new password, and also type will, we are going to make the type as the password. Okay, for all type we are going to give the password. I'm going to copy this one because the many changes we have done, so that all the changes will come up here. And only thing that we are going to update is the current with the we're going to update this one, current with new. Okay, and here also we are going to make it new. Okay, so after that once again we are going to copy this one, confirm password, to the confirm password here. Okay, and now once again I'm going to confirm, and here I'm going to give here confirm password. Okay, so we are going to check once, form is fine, current password, new password, confirm password. Okay, so we are going to add the jQuery function that is based on this password form. So I will open the custom.js file here in front, js custom.js. So like similar to the account form validation, I'm going to copy this one, it will save our time. So we are going to use this jQuery validation for our password form validation. Okay, password form validation. So we are going to on submit of this id, this form. Okay, submit function of this one, then we are going to execute this jQuery. Okay, so we are going to here we'll give like route we are going to create here. Okay, so we can create I think update password, we can make it like update password route. See, this one we are going to create after user account. We can check here after user account we can create here the update password. Okay, yeah, user login registered user account, and after that we can create, we can just require to create the post method for this one, user update password. Okay, here we can give the route as user update password. We are going to take the only the post route. Okay, first one is the user, then update password. So after that this function we are going to create, send user controller user update password. Okay, so this is the function user update password. So user controller we are going to create here user controller. So here we are going to create like we have created the user account. Here we are going to create the user update password, but before that we need to modify further. like here account will not come. In case of account, the password will come. Okay, so password we are going to give, okay, like this. So rest we will update later, but first of all we are going to create the function here, user update password function, similar to this one. Okay, we can simply copy this one, it will save a lot of our time. Okay, so here I'm going to make it user update password, user update password. I'm going to take this one, and first of all we are going to fetch that whether the password is correct, and this information we are going to update because we are having the current password. Okay, we are having the new password, and we are having the confirm password. We are not having these fields. Okay, this so we will give here these three. So rest we can remove, and here see required is fine, but string is not required here. Just we need to take the minimum value. See, current password nothing is required other than required, and but in new password, see the new password must be at least of 6 digits. Okay, that validation we have given at the time of user password as well. So here also we will give the confirmed password as 6, and there is one more thing we need to do here for the confirm password. Confirm password must be matching with the new password. So there is the syntax here. There is one keyword, one predefined function that we're going to use the same. Okay, same colon new password. So it means the confirm password must be matched with the new password, so we can use this one. Okay, so these validator class objects are really useful for us. Okay, you can search on Google and find these kind of keywords objects for the validator class of Laravel. Okay, so now first of all we are going to see that what is the output, and this code we can remove. Okay, this code we can remove because we want to update the password here. Before updating the password we will check the current password as well. But first of all we need to check that whether the data is going in our jQuery in via Ajax or not. Okay, so we are going to check here. I'm going to check it like this, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here 1 2 3. Okay, so see anything we can give here because we just want to check with that new password and confirm password, all the three are coming there or not, and click on update, and see where is the output is coming somewhere. Click on update once again, nothing is happening. I think nothing is happening, so maybe something seems to be pending. We are going to check once. passwordForm, so it must work fine. passwordForm, and here also we are giving the password form. So we can do one thing, we can alert here, so the time for debugging of the code, sometime it happens. So we can click on update, so test is coming here, so it means now it seems to be working. Maybe the page has not been saved earlier, so now we can try once again. Okay, so I've removed the test now, and we'll try now. Anything I will give, I just want to see that it is coming there or not. Okay, click on submit update, and this time it is coming. It is coming here, you can see it is coming, the data is coming here. You can see the current password, new password, and confirm password, it is coming fine. Okay, so now we can move further and see if the data in case is not matching, then it must show the error message. Okay, that also we are going to check. Okay, so it will give the error message, and if it passes, then the another check we are going to add here. Okay, first of all we are going to see this one, that if in case we are going to give if the new password and confirm password is not matching, then it will show the error message. So we are going to check this error message here, like anything we can give. I'm not matching anything. Okay, so I will click on update, and here see the confirm password and new password must match. So the validation is working fine, this validation is working fine. Okay, so it is showing the error message. If in case the validator fails, then it will show the error message. That is fine. Okay, and if the validator pass, then we are going to check for the current password from the database, from our table. Current password, that is coming in $data. We are going to have the current password here. Okay, so we are going to make here check password, like some variable I'm going to take to check the password, uh, and here I can simply check from the user. Okay, from the logged in user ID, and here I can fetch from the user ID. I'm going to fetch like this, auth user ID, and I'm going to take the first, and we are going to fetch the password, and after that we are going to compare that password that is correct or not. We are going to use the hash function for checking. Hash check we are going to use for checking this current password. Okay, with the password that we will get here. Okay, see this one, check password, and here also we are going to check see password whatever is saved in the database. We are going to compare it with the password that is entered by the user. Go to check with the password that is located in our database. Okay, so if it is fine, then it's okay. Otherwise we will return the user to the error message. We are going to return the error message to the user. Okay, in else condition we are going to redirect back the error message to the user, like we are redirecting here success message, and here we are going to redirect with the error message. Okay, redirect back user with the error message. So here we can give the error like type I will give here incorrect, and the message I will give here your current password is incorrect. Okay, so this incorrect I'm going to make one more here like this, and I can copy this one and will paste it here. Else if response type is incorrect, in case if it is incorrect, okay, then it means that the password is incorrect and we need to show the error message to the user. So uh, we are going to show the like password here. We will not give here these things, we can remove, and here like we can give here the password error. Okay, here as well error, and here as well error, and response error function. uh, so each function is not required at all. We need to bring it out of the each function. Okay, like we have done here for the success, so it will come in the same way. Password error. Okay, password error, and this one. Okay, set timeout function, password error, display none. So it seems to be fine now. So we are going to test it with the, if there is the current password is wrong, if we are going to click on update, but it is giving for the another one, we need to refresh, and I'm going to give here the new password, confirm password. First of all, matching 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the confirm password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But here I will put something wrong current password. Then we click on update, and we're going to see that what will happen. I'm going to do like this, and now I'm going to try update, and see the error message has come, because see, because hash is not included, because we need to include the hash, as we are using the hash. So we need to use its class as well. Hash class we need to include in our page. Okay, so we can try once again. I'm going to refresh, and we'll try once again here. Okay, so now we can try once again. I am going to give the wrong current password, but 1 2 3 4 5 6, but same new password and confirm password. Now it must give the error that the current password is incorrect. So let's see, click on update, and it is not giving any kind of error. Here your current password is incorrect, here it is giving, but it is not displaying this error anywhere. So we need to check where we are having that issue. Password error must be displayed. So here we need to check password error, why it is not displaying. Else if response type equal to incorrect. Okay, loader is hide, password error, attributes color red, password error. Okay, as so here we need to see not error, here it must come response dot message, response dot message. So now I think it must work fine. After that function, password error, so everything else seems to be fine. So we need to try once again and hope this time it will work fine. And now I'm going to give the current password. Okay, wrong current password. Okay, so anything we can give here, but we are going to give the same new and confirm password. 12345 6. 12345 6. So now we are going to try updating. So let's click on update, and let's see, your current password is incorrect. So this time it is working fine, it is showing that the current password is incorrect, so that's why it can't update. So we need to give the correct current password. 12345 6. This time we can give the correct current password. But if in case the password is correct, then we need to update here as well. Okay, we have not done that. We need to update the new password. In case the password is correct, then we need to update here. Okay, we can update here in the user table the correct password that is entered by the user. Okay, so here we will write like update user current password. Okay, then let's write the code for updating the current user password. Dollar user equal to user model. We need to first fetch the details. Okay, auth user. Okay, so this is the id. With find we can simply get it where we are required to update. Okay, so here we get the, we able to fetch the details of the user, so we can update now the password like this. And here we will use the bcrypt function, because the new password we are having dollar data new password, but we need to bcrypt it to convert it to hash, because Laravel knows the hash string only. Okay, so that's why we need to bcrypt it so that it will convert it to hash. Okay, so before saving the password, so dollar user save. So this script we are going to use for saving the updated password of the user. Okay, so finally we can redirect back the user with the success message. I'm going to copy this one and will save time, and we are going to redirect by the user with the success message. Just the message will, we're going to update account password successfully updated. Okay, account password successfully updated. Okay, so now we can try here. We're going to try. So let's refresh. I hope that no issue will come. Current password, I'm going to give the correct current password 12345 6. I'm going to make the new password like 1234567, and the confirm password also 1234567. Okay, so let's see, let's click on update. Update account password also successfully updated. Okay, so fast, without refresh of the page instantly. And we're going to log out. I'm going to try with the same account. Okay, this email id. So first of all, I'm going to try with the earlier password, that is 123456. Okay, after that I'm going to try with the new one. Okay, first of all try with the old one. Let's see if it able to log in with the old one. 123456. Click on login. Still it is login. So I think that still there is some issue. Maybe actually there is one issue here. We are not saving in a proper way. Okay, so that's why save. Now we must try. Okay, so the current password, we are going to give the current password first of all. 12345 6 and 7. So let's try. Current password is 7. No, the current password is 6 only. Okay, so new password is 1234567. We are going to make it 7. 1234567. Okay, so now we will try. So it's updated. So now we are going to log out, and first of all we are going to try with the old password. Okay, so let's first of all try with the old password. So login. So we're going to try with the old password first of all. What is the email? This one is the email. Okay, so first of all we try with the 12345 6. Let's see with the old password. See, incorrect email or password is coming, so it means that it has changed. So I'm going to give the 7 as well. 7. Okay, now see, it able to log in. This time you can see we able to log in with the new password, that is 1234567. So we able to update, user able to update the account password as well. Like if he will give here 123456, then it will surely say that this password is incorrect. Okay, see, current password is incorrect. So let's see that it will say the current password is incorrect because the current password is now 12345667. So if we want to change back to the 6 now, there is the 7 password, so we can update back to the 6 now. Okay, so it is working very fine. You can try it at your end, and just do it at your end. Okay, and if you will face any issue, you can surely contact me. Okay, now we can able to move further. In the next video we still need to work on this card. These products we are going to show here, and we'll work on the coupon functionality as well. So please stay tuned for the further videos, and you can always subscribe and join the channel to get the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.